Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Quad Boss Elite, and today we are on the 350, boys. It has been a fat minute since we've been on the thing, so I don't know what we're going to do today. We could do burnouts, we could do wheelies, I don't know, but I know we're just riding the 350s. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes the riding for today. I had a blast. It was fun. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give this video a like, subscribe to Quad Boss Elite, and I will catch you on the next one.